Pure substances and mixture. Difference between pure substances and mixture. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our 100 of conceptual lectures for free. Firstly, let me teach you about the classification of a matter. Well, we all know about matter. Anything which has volume and has some mass is called matter. For example, a chair, a desk, a cup, etc. are all matter because they occupy some space and have non-masses. Also remember that matter is divided into two groups, pure substances and mixture. It means that chair may be either pure substance or mixture. Similarly, desk may be either pure substance or mixture. Now, what is a pure substance and a mixture? Well, a pure substance is composed of identical particles, while mixture is composed of non-identical particles. For example, consider a pure sheet of iron. It is made up of one type of atoms. I mean that this whole sheet of iron is made up of only one type of atoms and there is no other particle present in it. Hence, all atoms are the same, they have same sizes, they have same properties, and all these atoms are chemically combined together to form a pure sheet of iron. Therefore, we say that this sheet is a pure substance. Now, let's consider a sugar solution. We know that it is composed of sugar molecules C6, H12, O6 and water molecules H2O. It means that this sugar solution is made up of two different types of molecules. The size of sugar molecule is different than the size of water molecules. So this sugar solution contains different sizes of molecules. The properties of sugar molecule is different from the water molecules. We also know that we have physically combined or dissolved sugar and the water to form a solution. Thus, this sugar solution is not a pure substance, it is a mixture. Here, we also learn that all solutions are mixture. Therefore, remember that a pure substance is made up of same particles like this iron sheet, while a mixture is made up of different particles like sugar solution. Let me also teach you that why all elements and compounds are called pure substances. Well, we have already learned in the previous slide that element like iron is a pure substance because all the atoms are same throughout it and they have same properties and same sizes. So we therefore say that all elements are pure substances like gold, copper, zinc, sodium, etc. We know that compounds are formed from chemical combination of two or more elements. We have two different types of compounds, ionic compounds and covalent compounds. Table salt or NaCl is an ionic compound. Water is a covalent compound. Now listen carefully. The smallest unit of iron sheet is an atom. The smallest unit of ionic compounds is formula unit, and the smallest unit of covalent compounds is molecule. And the table salt, all formula units are the same or identical. I mean all units are NaCl. All these units have same sizes, same properties. So all ionic compounds like salt are pure substances. Secondly, in the water, all molecules are the same or identical. They have same sizes and same properties. So all covalent compounds like water are pure substances. Now let me also give you some examples of mixture. According to chemistry, the carbonated drinks we use are not pure substances. They are mixture because they are composed of sugar, water and different colors mixed together physically. Secondly, air is not a pure substance. It is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, etc. Thirdly, honey is not a pure substance. It is a mixture because it is made up of water, sugar and minerals. Fourthly, steel or coins are not pure substances. They are mixtures because steel and coins are alloy. They are made up of elements like copper, zinc, etc. Finally, let me teach you the difference between pure substances and mixture. In pure substances, particles are chemically combined together, while in mixture, particles are physically combined together. All the particles in a pure substance have same chemical and physical properties. While in mixture, different particles have different chemical and physical properties. Pure substances has uniform composition throughout its mass, while mixture has usually non-uniform composition throughout its mass. Pure substances cannot be separated into simpler substances by any physical process, while mixture can be separated by physical process like filtration. This was all about pure substances and mixture.